Abigail has caught a nurse shark.
They have like a floppy tail, guys. Like, their fins aren't like very strong. This is a perfect place. Yeah. What? Come on, Abigail, walk back. Walk back. I'm gonna grab the leader.
No, it's a small one.
Okay, we're gonna go quick with this. Kellen, come hold the rod so Abigail can get a picture.
Woo! I have to take the picture.
Fine.
Poor guy. Does not want to be grabbed.
Kellen, take the rod from Abigail. Just grab the line. Pull back. Oh, something's on fire. Okay.
No,
Oh yeah. Basically.
Pull it back.
basically. She reeled it in by herself.
Yeah, she did. Conquered it.
Oh yeah, Abigail.
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do do do. Baby shark. He splashed us. Pretty
Okay,
good.
we're gonna go quick. Get right behind it right now. Right behind it right now. Okay.
Okay,
Be
I'll.
on the right side for a picture. Is the
Fine.
hurry, Abigail? Ashton, quick.
I already took like a bunch of pictures.
Oh, do one more.
I've taken a ton.
Okay.
I've taken at
We're
least.
looking now. Did you take another one?
Dad, I took like 20.
Pull the tail through.
This man.
You can get the hook out pretty easy, probably.
Did you guys bend the barb tail?
No.
Woo!
We're not moving.
Okay, that'll probably